Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 457 coupon code validator. Let's read the problem statement first. You are given 3 arrays of length n that describes the properties of n coupons, code, business line and is active. Okay, the ith coupon has code of I which denotes a string representing the coupon identifier. Business line of I is a string denoting the business category of the coupon, and is active of I is a boolean indicating whether the coupon is currently active. Okay, a coupon is considered valid if all of the following conditions hold. Code of I is non-empty and consists only of the alphanumeric characters small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9 and underscores. Okay, done. Second condition is a business line of I is one of the following 4 categories: electronics, grocery, pharmacy and restaurant. Okay, and third condition is active of I value is true. Okay, so if these are valid, then only our coupon is considered valid. Okay, we have to return an array of the codes of the all valid coupons sorted first by the business line in the order. Okay, first by this business line in the order: electronics, grocery, pharmacy and restaurant. Okay, so let's suppose this is one key, this is a key, and I'm setting the priority to 0, I'm setting the priority to 1, I'm setting the priority to 2. Okay, and I'm setting the priority to 3. Okay, so let's say I'm creating one map. Okay, in map I'm giving very first priority to this, then this, then this and this. Okay, sorted by their business line in the order: this electronics, grocery, pharmacy and restaurant. Okay, and then by code in lexicographical order. Okay, so let's say business line is same, right? Then we have to sort them by the code in the lexicographical ascending order within each category, right? So lexicographical means dictionary order. Okay, in increasing order, right? So first by using business line and then by code. Okay, this code in lexicographical order. Okay, done. Now let's understand this complete problem statement with an example here. So here if you see, first see this is active. Okay, we have is active given to us, business line given to us and code given to us. Okay, so now first let's check this part. Okay, this from here this and from here this. Okay, so is active value true. Okay, this is valid. Then code is also valid, save 20. Okay, so SAVE lies here, 20 lies here. Okay, it's valid. Okay, we don't contain any other character than this. Okay, so this is valid. Now restaurant business line is restaurant, so here restaurant is there. Okay, right. So what we have a restaurant. Okay, and what is the code we have this code. Okay, save 20 for this, done. Okay, next time this is true, this is empty, right? It should not be empty. Okay, so let's ignore this and this. Okay, next time this is true. Pharma 5 yes, PHARMA. Okay, lies here. 5 lies here. Okay, this is also valid. Night okay, here. And pharmacy is in there in the business line. Yes, it is there. Okay, so this is also valid, so you can say pharma 5. Okay, and this is nothing but your pharmacy, done. Okay, and then next time this is true, save at the rate 20. At the rate no, at the rate no. Okay, consists only of this only, not this at the rate. Okay, so this is invalid, invalid, invalid. Okay, so now we have only these two. Okay, so now first what we need to do, first we have to sort them based on their business line. Okay, so business line, if you see, uh restaurant business line, here if you see I set third. Okay, for this key third is the priority, and for this pharmacy 2 is the priority, so pharmacy is going to come first and then this restaurant. Okay, so for pharmacy pharma 5, and for restaurant the coupon is save 20. That's it, this is our output. Okay, first coupon is valid, third coupon is valid. Okay, done. Same thing you have to do here in example number 2. Okay, so here false, no need to check. True, electronics underscore 50 underscore, yeah, underscore is there. Okay, so this is valid. Now here if you see electronics is there, electronics, yes, it is there, right? So electronics is valid. So first here code is this electronics underscore 50, and here electronics. Okay, next if you say true, discount 10. Okay, and invalid is there in my business line? No. Okay, so these are, so we have to cross, not required. Okay, so only one is there, so we have to return that. All right, so these are the constants, right? Code.length, business.length, and is active.length same, and value from 1 to 100. Okay, code length, okay, business I dot length 0 to 100, and code of I and business line of I consist of printable ASCII characters, and is active of I is neither true or false. All right, is either true or false. All right, only two values are there. Now here we are going to use this regular expression. Okay, so what we need small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9 underscore. Okay, so let's understand this. So this open bracket and close bracket, okay, square bracket, so it denotes a character class. It matches any one character inside the bracket. A to z means matching any lowercase English letter from A to Z. Capital A to Z means matches any uppercase English letter from capital A to Z. 0 to 9 means matches any digit from 0 to 9, and this underscore matches the underscore character literally. Okay, and plus means one or more of the preceding characters, so the entire string must consist of one or more valid characters from the set. Okay, this one. So examples, data returns true, so here a1 b2 underscore c. Okay, so all these will return true. That here the examples, data return false, so here contains hyphen, which is not allowed, at the rate not allowed, space is not allowed. Okay, empty string, the plus requires at least one character. Okay, so that's the use of this, right? Clear? So we are going to use this function string dot matches, and here we are just going to put the regular expression. Okay, so string you want to test the regular expression pattern you are checking against. Okay, so it is going to return a boolean true if the whole string matches the pattern, otherwise false. So dot matches the entire string, not just part of it. Okay, so here a b c 1 2 3 dot matches this, so true, only valid characters. A b, here hyphen is there na, so false. Space is there, contain space, false. Empty, false. Okay, this true, all valid characters. Okay, clear. Now let's move to the solution, okay, of this problem. So here see, I set the priority, right? Done. And here I'm just creating this hash map and I'm setting the priority. Okay, so define the valid business lines and their custom sorting order. Done. Then I'm going to create one array list valid coupons. Then I'm just going to iterate over all the codes. So first I'm going to check if it is active, and then I'm checking code is not null. Okay, and checking here code is not empty, and code of I dot matches these values. Okay, so here this part, okay, dot matches this, and business priority dot contains key. Okay, so this key is available. Okay, so if all these are valid, then in the valid coupons array list I'm going to add code. Okay, and here business line. Okay, so code and business line. All right, these two things I am passing in the array list. Okay, this is done. Then we have to sort first by business line priority and then by code lexicographically. So valid coupons dot sort, so we have two parameters a and b. So first I'm going to compare based on the business priority to dot get these values. Okay, so 0 and 1, so based on them. Okay, a of 1, so this value we are going to get. Okay, so business priority dot get a of 1 and business priority dot get b of 1. Okay, so based on their business priorities I'm just going to compare. Okay, so but if business priority is same, so then I'm going to compare based on their code. Okay, a of 0 dot compare to b of 0. Okay, and then we have to just simply return. Okay, so once we sorted them, then I just need the coupons right in the end, so collect just the codes from the sorted list. Okay, so here I'm just going to create final result array list, and I'm just going to iterate over all the valid coupons that I have now in the sorted order, and in the result I'm just going to add the coupons. Okay, and in the end just return result. That's it. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the question number 1 of weekly contest 457. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.